Right, so I'll be showing you how to change the notification volume and language on your Sony XM6 headphones. Now for this one, you're gonna have to go to the Sound Connect app. So just go ahead and launch that app on your phone. In case you haven't installed it, you have to go ahead and install it and set it up with your headphones. So scroll down and tap on Device Settings. And then under Device Settings, scroll down, or rather, make sure you tap on System at the top here. So make sure you tap on System like that. And then once you tap on System, you can now scroll down until you get to Notification and Voice Guide. And then you want to tap on the settings icon on the right side of that. And then once you do that, this is where you can change the notification volume. So this is the volume for different notifications. And while you're wearing your headphones, you can actually tap on Play Test Audio, and then you can hear real time the volume. And also you can change the language here. So we have this drop down menu, and you can have the notification in a different language. So we have a couple of languages here: French, German, Spanish, Russian, Japanese, Korean, and Chinese. All right. So choose the language you prefer to have your notifications in, and then tap on done, and then make sure you tap OK in the top right corner to save your changes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.